Greetings traders. Maxbot is a channel that will open your eyes to trading in 2025. I use a smart AI assistant that scans the market and gives detailed reports and recommendations. You can pick it up for free right now, link below the video. But hurry up, in a month you can only pick it up for a fee. I'm going to run 4 trades now, getting signals from the bot for the 5-minute time frame. I'll enter 2-minute trades, targeting these longer-term signals. At the end of the work, I will announce the results to you. I will invest between $1,200 and $4,000 on each trade. So, the euro and the Canadian dollar. The recommendation from artificial intelligence for the 5-minute expiry time is to sell. 5 red indicators. I pressed the red button because I see on the 2-minute time frame the preconditions for increasing influence of sellers. Sellers are more actively saturating the market with volumes. Now they will take advantage of the rebound from the resistance zone. The frequency of data updates in the robot is 1 minute. To not miss new useful content, click on subscribe to channel and on the bell. Put a like and write comments, your feedback is important to us. Now I am preparing for you a cool course on technical analysis. All partners will get it. To become a partner, write to me in private messages on the link in the description under the video. In this course I will tell you about the secret aspects of technical analysis and how to use them in practice. The course is absolutely free. Let's get this straight. If your trades haven't been going your way, that doesn't mean you're bad at trading. It just means you're still in the early chapters of your story. Every success story starts with a plot twist. And maybe this is yours. First things first. Money management isn't optional, it's survival. Every trader who lasts more than a month has this tattooed in their brain. Only risk 1 to 2% of your deposit per trade. Not because it's some golden rule from the heavens, but because it keeps you in the game when things get rough. Got $100? Your trades are $1. Got $1,000? Your trades are $10. No flexing, no doubling down to recover. Just structure. Warren Buffett once said, rule number 1. Never lose money. Rule number 2. Never forget rule no. 1. He wasn't talking about winning every trade. He was talking about managing risk. Deposit size matters, but so does discipline. Look, let's be real. If you're trading $1, you're earning around 80 cents per win. But if you're trading $10, that's $8 per win. The math doesn't lie. So yes, a bigger deposit means bigger results. But don't confuse more money with more recklessness. The traders who scale, they add to their account, not to their emotions. They don't chase, they calculate. Trading isn't just numbers, it's mindset. Think about the Matrix. Neo didn't win by overpowering the system. He learned to see the code. That's trading. You have to learn to read the market like Neo reads the Matrix. Not with your eyes, but with your brain. Charts, indicators, momentum, they're all part of the code. Master your tools. Support and resistance. Candlestick patterns. RSI, MACD, Bollinger Bands. Volume and volatility analysis. You don't need every indicator. You need clarity and consistency. My smart assistant helps, but you stay in control. I built a smart AI-based assistant to make trading analysis simpler. No, it doesn't make decisions for you. It's not a robot that trades for you. It analyzes, highlights patterns, tracks trends, and gives you insight fast. You still decide. You're still the trader, but with better tools. Right now, it's completely free for early users. But in 30 days, it goes paid. So if you want it, hit the link in the description and claim it while it's still open access. In the meantime, I closed 2 trades in plus, thanks to the symbiosis of my foresight and detailed analysis of the situation from the robot. At the link in the description together with the bot you will get a promo code for plus 100% to the deposit. That is, for example, if you deposit $50 you will get $50 bonus. Or, for example, if you deposit $300 then on deposit you will have $600. Promo code works on the first deposit. We help with training. To chat about training, write to our manager in private messages. Link in the description. I personally conduct trading sessions and help with training for all participants. I know traders who left their jobs and made it. I've seen it firsthand. People who worked 9 to 5s they hated. People who started with $100 and an old laptop. Now, they travel. They spend time with family. They trade a few focused hours a day and live free. What changed? Not their luck, their mindset. Their consistency. Their dedication to learning the game and treating it like a business, not a bet. But let's be honest, trading is risk. Just like starting a business. Just like investing in real estate. Just like launching a YouTube channel. Nothing real comes risk-free. But risk is manageable. If you're consistent, smart with your capital, and focused on long-term skill, the game changes. It becomes yours. Want to improve? Start with these habits. Log every trade. Entry. Exit. Why you took it. Outcome. Your personal data is more powerful than any signal group. Stick to your strategy. Don't change plans mid-trade. If you didn't plan the exit, don't invent one on the spot. Use confluence. When multiple indicators point to the same decision, that's your sweet spot. Let's talk pop culture for a second. Think about Rocky Balboa. He didn't win because he hit the hardest. He won because he could take the hits and keep moving forward. That's trading. It's not about winning every round. It's about still being on your feet in round 12. Or consider Elon Musk. Tesla nearly went bankrupt. SpaceX failed multiple launches. But he persisted. What's one failed trade to someone with a long-term vision? Let's make this interactive. Drop a comment below. What strategy or tool made the biggest difference in your trading journey? Was it an indicator? A change in mindset? Your own risk management? Let's get a real conversation going in the comments. And if this helped, hit that like button. Not just for the algorithm, but to show other traders they're not alone. Friends, we have a group in Telegram, where we post posts that help to understand trading in more detail. There is a lot of educational content that I personally use in practice. Subscribe. The link below the video. The role of biometrics in future financial security. Let's futurecast for a second. With AI, bots, and data breaches on the rise, security is the new gold. That's why biometric tech is becoming the standard. Face ID for authentication. Fingerprint scans for app access. Iris and voice patterns to approve trades. Banks, brokers, and fintech firms are investing big in biometric verification. Why? Because it ties access directly to the user, not just passwords. Imagine this. No one can log into your platform, not even with your phone, unless they're you. It's not just secure, it's personal. And for traders, that peace of mind is priceless. This isn't the end of your journey. It's the test before your breakthrough. You're not too late. You're not underqualified. You're just warming up. Start small. Stay smart. Scale slowly. Study relentlessly. Use the tools. Follow the risk rules. And never, ever quit when it gets hard. That's when it counts the most. So, I finished the job. 4 successful trades brought me $6,708. This is the result of teamwork between me and my robot. Subscribe and press the bell, friends. I'll be back to you soon with new content.